out of this corner. Just, what? 80, 90, 100, 107. I mean, just insane how quickly the revs just go. I'm Nate from the BMW blog, and this is the all-new M3 CS. And today, we're on track at the BMW Performance Center in Spartanburg, South Carolina, putting it through its paces. So, we just got out of the M3 competition from our comparison with the new M2. Though that was a very fast M3, this is a different animal. So what makes the M3 CS different from an M3 competition? Well, it's got 6 PSI more boost, therefore 40 more extra horsepower, and with all its carbon fiber pieces, it is 75 pounds lighter, which all adds up to this being a rocket ship. It accelerates so incredibly well out of the corners, and its 0 to 60 is 3.2 seconds. That's right, 3.2. Coming in with a lot more speed there. Whoa, this thing is fast. 80, 90, 100, 107. Just with ease, you blitz up over 100. I mean, it is still pulling at 110. Just ridiculous. This car just wants to be driven hard. I spent a lot of time in M3s and M4s, and I don't think I've felt any as quick and ridiculous as this. Wow. Wow. The speeds I'm carrying into the corners is a lot higher. I'm finding myself having to use a lot more brake. I don't think I really had to brake hard for this long sweeper, and that time, yeah, definitely had to get on the brakes. This does have carbon ceramics, and they are definitely stopping this big car. It is, whew. Now this feels just like a race car. It's got great feel. These carbon bucket seats are fantastic. Hold you in nice and tight. I can probably sit here all day. These are super comfortable. Steering wheel's great, Alcantara. There's carbon fiber throughout this car. And this signal green, wow, it is bold. Wow, this is a lot of fun. shift. It's got a carbon fiber front splitter and rear diffuser, which pull the air around the car a little bit better, keeping that out from underneath the car so it doesn't get light and floaty. This thing feels so planted. It is amazing. .115 there on the back straight, just crazy fast. This front end feel is just so good. Just drops into that corner. Coming through these sweepers, it is very trackable. I'm getting no drift out, no understeer. Rear end is stable. This thing is so capable. Just amazing. I can't imagine how this would just blow away my E46 M3. Wow, this is fast. Compared to the M3 Comp, I mean, I only got to drive that on a little bit of an autocross course. This just feels a little bit more raw, a little bit more beastly. Though the M2 and the M3 competition wanted to drift a little bit more, this feels very more planted. I mean, I'm sure it can easily kick it out if you wanted to, but wow, this is a track weapon. Now that the tires are up to temp, the brakes are warmed up, this thing is fast. That's all I can say, it's just fast. It is on Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires, and they are sticky. Is it worth the extra money over an M3 Comp? It all comes down to, what do you want? You want one that you want to put up with every day? Or do you want possibly the fastest M3 ever? And if you do, and if you can put up with sliding into these buckets on a daily basis, then this is the car for you. Because this car is just freaking amazing.
How was it?
This M3 CS is a rocket ship compared to the M3 competition, with 40 more horsepower from 6 extra PSI, 75 less pounds, and the xDrive. It just blasts out of the corners. Can the M3 Comp keep up? I don't think so.